All right, now that I got all the food in my body, I'm gonna show you guys around the campground and show you how nice it is around here and quiet too. So like I said, my area. I'm starting to like to have my own little water thing right next to me. But you see how like none of it's like submerged underwater. I'm sorry, like the other campground was just like a puddle of water. It's like a river. But out here, it rained not that bad. So it's pretty nice out here. Very nice. Like I said, I think my tent was like 25. It's a little bit more if you have an RV and all that. But make sure you do it. You can only, it's not a lot of people here. So it's very strange and odd. But here's the thing with this. You can only do 45 days in advance. Like, I think like Moss Park, there's like other parks as well. And you can only do them 45 days in advance. You can't do 2 months or 3 months in advance. I mean, I think that is kind of like 2 months. You know, it's like a month and a half. I think a month and a half you can do it, but yeah, do it 45 days in advance. You'll be good to go. What trash. But it's really nice out here. Like it really is nice. And the deers are friendly too. They're very curious. I just saw one come up to me earlier, a little youngin, coming up to me like really super curious. I wasn't freaked out. I just, kind of talking to my English language here. But deers are really nice out here. If you see one coming up like really super close to you, make sure your food is not like near them. Let them be curious, and then he or she will be on their merry way with the other squad they have with them. But the deers are super nice, so don't be really mean and evil to them. But if you want to stay to go to either Orlando or Disney, this is a spot that I think will be good for you. Moss Park Campground. It's only 37 minutes away from, I think, Orlando. Not sure with Disney, but it's still super close. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. And when you do come to this area, you gotta go like all the way in the back of the park of Moss Park. Follow the signs. Take your time, because if it's wet, if it's raining, we'll have a couple ditches and you can't really see them, but you'll be good to go. But the kids are out here chilling, having fun, kumbaya. See how like this type of tree leaves all this like down here. I like the other side where it's like less of that. This guy's cleaning his RV off. You guys are legit. Now the good thing is that I'm not getting killed by, well, knock on a lot of wood, bugs, but then I got bugs repellent on me right now. But it's not a lot of like, I don't see a lot of bugs out here, or like not bugs, I would say mosquitoes. Oh, they're here, but they're just maybe because I got the repellent and they're not attacking me. See, look, see, sometimes you gotta be careful. That's 41. So that's something you probably want to avoid here is 41, especially campsites. Like I think, like I said, the other side is, I think it was a little bit better than this side. Just because of these trees right here. Although I love the diversity of the trees, it's just that this particular trees leaves too much of this and you gotta sit there and clean it. So get the early numbers of campsites first before you come to the later, like the like 40s and the 30s and all those ones. But this campsite's super nice, super cool. Okay, what I do like about this place is that they have concrete walkways for you to get to the bathroom and the showers. I don't think there's any laundry here, but that's okay because the bathroom and the showers alone, they're just absolutely beautiful. The showers alone are just huge. Well, I'm like, Dad, this is a lot of space for a shower. The bathrooms are really nice. They kept up. They actually have like a little log books of when it got cleaned out and everything. I'm not gonna go inside of them, but because you know, legal issues, you don't want to record in the bathroom. Now there's two of these bathrooms here. They got one down here and then one near me. Which is, where the heck am I? Yeah, I think mine is like on the other side. So they do have two main bathrooms here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back this way. See, I think my car is all the way down. So yeah, so there's one closer up to the bathroom, and then there's a bathroom all the way where I'm at, which is mine's because I'm like at site 14. This is also like, look how big these are. But no grease dumping, clean out your food first before you do. But look how, like, this is awesome to have to clean out your utensils. Like, that's awesome. Like other ones didn't have them. Like, that's like a kitchen right there. Look, they're all now look at all the walkways. They're all connecting to the other bathrooms in other areas, and it's all handicap accessible. So like, to me, this is all handicap accessible. Look how this one connects. How it was all the way down there, and the path just connects to the other bathroom, which is closer to us, to the opposite end. And same thing on the other side. And they're big sinks. They give you opportunity here to enjoy yourself as best as you can, and throw your trash away in the trash can. So it's very important, people, because I know some places it's just like trash. I'm like, well, you got trash cans out here. So because I would love to show you guys the bathroom and the shower, but I don't know, for legal reasons I don't want to do that. But I will say, just trust me on this. The bathrooms and the showers, because they're together, so they're very super nice, and they're free. The showers is free, not the bathroom, but the shower is free, so you don't have to put any coins in. Unlike Mammoth Cave, you had to put coins in to, you know, for like 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute shower. But at here, don't got to do any of that. It's all well, it's free, but I mean, you pay for it, and you're part of getting into the campground if you want to put it that way, but there's no extra fee on taking a shower. So that is a good thing, because we have all this repellent stuff on you and you kind of just want to get a shower. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get up, take a shower, and be out of here by 7 o'clock on the dot, and then be on my way to Universal Studios, which is going to take me about 30 some odd minutes, and then go from there. So, and then we're back at my campground. But do you see why I say this is like the first half of the campground is better? It's because you don't have those particular trees. Not like I said, trees do make a difference at your campground. See how like there's none of that stuff is here? Like it's none of that kind of really here, that stuff that was on the ground if you were on the other side. So like I said, if you're gonna go from like the 1 to like 20 or so, these I think in my opinion are the best of the campgrounds at Moss Park Campground. So hope that helps you out a little bit of choosing your campsite here at Moss Park Campground. Like I said, it's very quiet out here. People are just, you know, kind of just minding their own business out here, really. But I mean, it's not a bad thing. But who cares? You get your own little water thing. I don't care. That thing's really helpful. Like, you don't know how really helpful that is. But other than that, I hope this video helps you out, and I will see you guys later. Well, look who decided to pay me a little visit this morning. Got some sandhill crane, and we got little baby ones. I'm assuming this is probably mother and father and their baby sandhill crane. I had to move my food real fast because you can tell like the difference between the mother and the father. Like the mother's like beak is smaller, and the father's is like the male, I would say. See how big he is? You can tell like how large his beak is, and then hers. You can tell by the difference in the size. But it's the first time I've seen some sandhill cranes here. I've seen a lot of deers, but not a lot of, this is my first time. Oh, look at that, again. We don't get these a lot in the city, or in Ohio. We don't get this a lot. Why you make sure you pick up your food and everything, so you're not feeding the wildlife. These guys will eat human food if it's an opportunity for them. So I would highly recommend not doing that. I'm going to become curious in about a minute about what this box is right here. Okay. Beautiful. Sometimes you just sit still. They're not going to do much to you. They're just curious to see what you got. This is why I put my cooler out because I was dumping the water out, but it was look good. I wonder if these birds only have like maybe 1 or 2 chicks. I don't know if you call them chicks. A year. Unlike ducks or geese, they have like a whole litter of it. But I think maybe these guys only have like maybe 1. Sand cranes only have like sandhill cranes only may have like 1 or 2. But you can see how the male is very protective of the family, but not too crazy protective. Like mother bear protective going crazy. But beautiful, beautiful birds. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guy Adventures as I bring you guys more footage from my Florida trip coming to you guys on the channel. So subscribe, and I will see you guys later.